Hello guys, this is my channel. As you don't know, I changed my name in my picture as I'm obsessed. And we'll be talking about the street figure. He has been doing too far, and I really saw his YouTube video, this YouTube channel right now. It's really on my phone right now, but since I'm vlogging outside, we need to upper the volume. It needs to be shiny. It needs to be shiny, guys. So I actually found his channel on YouTube, and all his search and videos viral. And bow. This also I realized it was his same animation, so as Alien better, but a little bit different, so it might be fun ads, fun videos. Guys, that's fun videos always come with the same styles, but not good enough animation. So Alien better is my fun, and thank you guys all put this by watching my video. I'm doing a voiceover, but I started for 3 minutes too, and it's getting brighter. So, and guys, thank you for watching my putty base. Bye.